Hello, this is Jen Kitzmiller with the National Weather Service in Missoula, and I have your planning briefing, which was recorded on Sunday, May 26th. So just some of the key points, we are going to be looking at some warmer temperatures here going through Tuesday of this week. On Tuesday itself, we have a cold front that's going to come through late in the day, and that's going to bring potential for some strong thunderstorms. And then beyond that, we are looking at a return to more of a cooler, breezy, showery weather pattern. And there is some potential for some snowfall, so I'll get into the details on that here in a minute. Just looking at the current satellite loop, we've got the low pressure system spinning through central Montana, and behind that low pressure system, we have high pressure starting to build in. So that's going to be in control of the weather the next few days. And speaking of that high pressure, we are expecting temperatures to trend upward here through Tuesday, with Tuesday likely being the warmest day of this week. And in fact, a lot of valley locations will likely see temperatures reach into the low to mid 80s on Tuesday. Then we have that cold front come through Tuesday night, and with that, temperatures drop back down to below normal, especially by Thursday, likely the coolest day of the week. And then maybe a trend back upwards towards next weekend. Now, as that cold front comes through, it is going to set up a pattern on Tuesday where we could see some strong thunderstorms. The main focus right now looks like it would be through north central Idaho, so Idaho, Clearwater counties, and then up into portions of west central and northwest Montana. The main threat that we're concerned with is going to be gusty outflow winds. That just looks like the most likely potential, but there's also going to be a chance to see some brief heavy rain, lightning, and small hail. And that threat will continue from basically Tuesday afternoon all the way into Tuesday night. So beyond that, there are a couple different scenarios on how the next low pressure trough could play out. The most likely scenario, which I'm showing here, has about a 70% chance of occurring. And in this pattern, we would see temperatures return back to slightly below seasonal normals. We'd expect to see widespread showers, breezy conditions, and there would be some higher elevation snowfall. Those snow levels wouldn't be all that low. We'd be looking at 5,500 to 6,500 feet. So there could be some periods of slushy snow on some of the higher mountain passes, but otherwise not a lot of impact with this particular scenario. However, there is about 20% chance of seeing a closed off low pressure system. And if this system were to develop in this Wednesday through Friday timeframe, then we would see actually even cooler temperatures. More widespread precipitation would develop, and it would likely force snow levels quite a bit lower than that first scenario, as low as 4,000 to 5,000 feet, maybe even lower than that. So with that, there would be potential to see some possible accumulating snowfall even into the valleys of southwest Montana. Now, again, this is not the most likely scenario, currently only about a 20% chance, but we just wanted to throw the idea out there since there is potential that this could occur. Beyond that, it looks like we're going to get more into a southwesterly flow, which should allow temperatures to return to near normal, if not slightly above normal, to start the first week of June. So here's the weather risk outlook, highlighting Tuesday into Wednesday, mainly for that thunderstorm threat. And then you'll see the snow on the passes out there towards Thursday and Friday. That's all I have for today, but feel free to give us a call if you have any questions or concerns. Otherwise, we will have a next briefing up on Thursday, May 30th. Thanks and have a great week.